Hi everyone, this is Tanya from Self-Sufficient Homesteading and Gardening, and today we will be making South African biltong. You will need some meat, this is nyala meat, and some salt, pepper, vinegar, and some coriander. Firstly, pack your layers of meat and then drizzle some vinegar over the top. Then grind some pepper over your meat, not too much though. Coriander, you can be very generous with it because it gives lots and lots of flavor. Then a generous layer of salt. I used Himalayan salt. You repeat the process with your meat. You pack your layers and then put all the ingredients on again. Continue layering until all your meat is finished. Once done, cover your bowl with a net and leave for 12 hours at room temperature. After 12 hours, your meat would have soaked up some of the vinegar and some of the flavors, and it's ready to hang. Give it a good stir so everything is mixed well. Put in your hooks and put it aside. Your meat is now ready to hang. I use a drying rack that was custom built for me. So I just hang it. Make sure you leave enough space between your pieces of meat so they do not touch each other. After only 4 days, we've got some dried biltong. And this video is proudly sponsored by braaiplunk.co.za.